Alrighty, ladies and gents, we got a good one for you today. We're gonna be putting on new door stickers. You're watching Lambinski's Garage. Let's get it. Our first order of business today is to get these old stickers off, and then we'll polish the door, and I'll go show you the other stickers because they are really cool and you're gonna like them. Look at that, good as used. We'll get these new stickers on in no time. Here are the beautiful stickers we had made, vinyls, whatever you want to call them. They're going on this door. My buddy Austin made these. We'll go over his stuff later, but let's get these on. Would you look at that? That's our new door stickers, and man, do they look good. These things installed so nice. He did a killer job on them. Man, it just makes the whole truck look way cooler now. So, our other plan actually was to put dual exhaust on this truck too, because I'm going to a show tomorrow, and it's one of the biggest in like Western Washington-ish, I guess, kinda. And they usually do pretty good, and I did it a few years ago when I had my CUDA, but I haven't done it since. I also added something else too. That real bitchin' direct connection license plate. That's not a repop, that's the real deal right there. So, yeah, those stickers just look fantastic. He really knocked it out of the park, and they were pretty easy to install too. So, let's get this thing outside, and let's give Austin a little talking up. You know what? I lied to you. It's warm out there. It's about 85 degrees or so, and I don't want to open the shop and heat it up even more than it already is. So we'll just do our talking up right here. As you can see, Austin just did a killer job with this. I couldn't be happier. His business is Beyond the Line Signs and Apparel. He does killer stuff. He sticker packs, vinyls like this, wraps, everything you can think of. He even does shirts and hats and all that cool stuff too. Here's some of the stuff that he's done. Maybe here's even another one, and all of this stuff is just too cool. And he's reasonable, good price, yada yada. Tell him I sent you if you decide to get something, which I hope you do because he does a really killer job. But I also forgot to show you guys the seat cover we put on this thing last time. That's just one of them cheap saddle covers from Amazon, but man, she turned out fantastic. We're not going to be able to put the dual exhaust on today because, well, to be honest with you, we broke a manifold bolt, and that's a lot more messing around than we want to do when it's 80 degrees, so that'll just have to come another time in another video. But this one will be coming out real soon because, you know, well, you're watching it. But anyways, look for that car show video. It should be the one right after this. We're going to take this truck and let's go look at a few hundred cars. What do you say? But anyways, I appreciate your guys' time and your likes and your comments. I try to read and reply to every one of them that I can, so keep them coming. We're really enjoying it. Anyways, as always, thank you for watching, and have a nice day.